Hey everyone, so after downloading the Hopper app on your mobile device, this is how to sign up for a Hopper account. After you download it and open, your screen will look something like this. Simply tap on sign in and it will ask you to continue with Google or continue with your mobile number. For now, I'll go ahead and continue with Google. Then it will ask you for some details. Simply go ahead and fill it out. And after filling out the right information, please make sure your name and phone number are correct. And after you tap on save, you are now signed up for Hopper and you can use this app freely. So it is that easy. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.